Oh, remember the old time saying, where say cock mouth kill cock? It means you're not for boast or talk out of turn. On Sunday Night Live, this Sunday, we'll be talking about the courts granting injunction against Portmore becoming a parish. DJ Khaled, Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer link up to create new music after 15 years. Good times at 4 at 8 p.m. right after the uploads. So make it a date, don't be late, 8 p.m. right on Expressions JA's YouTube channel. See you on Sunday.
I'm witty and then I iron it. I'm gonna give one seam, but I'm kind after that. One seam, and then after that is not seamless. Remember?
See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. That's the person that I cannot seem to forget. Patricia, you were always there for me. You always did the small things that it was standing out always. You were a 15-year-old and you were already a wife material. You did things that no one saw. If there was food on my face, you would wipe it off. You would take my clothes and take them home, and I would be smelling so fresh and nice after that.
Yeah, cause you did green. I made a rule. So you know you have a fresh. You have to upgrade you from your high school diploma to your degree. I didn't need it. Hey, you used to sweat in a bucket, so sweating a boy.
That was definitely the indication of a healthy young man who went on to become a successful man.
Yeah, you're fresh and no longer green.
That was actually one of the things that I admired about you. You were very blunt and straightforward with your statements, and you know, I was always searching for you in every woman that I have met. I could have never found you. That actually drove me to a near point of insanity.
Near? Because you do some things that far. You still gonna make my question. I make my go all the way to my country now because I'm determined to figure out if you do something. If you put something that I put in there now, I'm tell you this. I say, I can't remember the doctor. Spend up much $1,000 to make sure some out of them check here. Because you make me sit down and question if you're really mad for true. Let me tell you this. It's even nothing to do with my mother. You that's the real mad man. Because I promise you, say Bellevue could hold me done with you.
And when you took your mother to the doctor, what exactly did the doctor say?
Well, let's say, colleague, the overconsumption of pudding. Too much pudding.
I resented your mother for years, but I would never do that. Because hurting her would mean me hurting you. You see, after I got my degree, and I was all over the place working, every single where I went, there was something or someone that reminded me of you. And it was unbearable, to be honest. That's when I made the decision to check myself in a mental institution. So that's when I decided to check myself in a mental institution.
So, are you check yourself in the institution last time? Because I never do that.
I had to. You don't believe me? I have proof. This was actually my first job. I landed this job in New York. This was right across from my building. What's that name? Ferguson. This was down the road. They made the nicest coffees, bagels you will ever have. And the name of the store was Patricia's Pastry. It's like I could not get myself away from you. Would you believe that the person that took the best care of me in the institution Her name was Patsy. That's when I decided that I had to get back out. I had to come back to Jamaica. I had to see you.
Wait, hold on. 1 second. Stick with the popping. You left for a mental institution because somebody did it with my name. You know how much people in the world have a name, Kev?
It was actually more than that. The meds that they were giving me at this institute were definitely not FDA approved. And I don't think it was helping me any at all. There was a politician there also. His name was Marcus Wallace, also from Jamaica. And he had the same problem as I. The meds was just not helping us. The medication was from a woman called Grant, one Maxine Grant. And I looked her up and I realized that none of her medications were approved by the FDA. They were all turned down because she was using a natural based plant to try and cure what we had, and it was not working.
Maxine Grant. Her name sounds so familiar. Oh, yep. Remember I think she did get locked up for the same thing, yeah?
And I didn't want to be anybody's lab rat, so I checked myself out. And the truth is, I think the best treatment for me right now is actually you.
Boy. Okay. If I never for the state saying kidnap me, now I'm seeing punch with that backflip right now. She just said jump. But it's because me in the John.
But Patsita, you are not kidnapped. You are free to leave whenever you want to. I just needed to get this off my chest.
Kev. On a serious note, if you're not feeling mentally well, you have to get help. You can't just walk around the place that take people get picnic. Right, big and serious now for sure. You need to get help.